Today I'm playing Demonology. Am I the first person playing Demonology on YouTube? Obviously I'm scared of the dark, so I'm turning on all the lights cause I don't know. I'm okay, I forgot to turn one of the lights, and I will be struggling finding the last light. I don't think I'm the first person, but I don't know. You wanna know my favorite ghost? Mine is a demon cause it looks so cool, and yeah. Finally, I found the last light. Okay, there might be one light still off, but I don't care. Going to the closet to get that hot girl. Getting all the stuff because yeah. Obviously, I'm getting my trusty dusty EMF reader. Seriously, probably going to the bathroom. Putting salt here, but I know it's not a demon. Wasted some salt. Yes. Me being dumb and checking if it's on. Obviously, I just stepped out of the closet for 1 second. Reading the spirit book and some other stuff because I know the ghost wants to talk to me. Mommy, I know you do. Getting the thermometer and some other stuff cause I am sick. Why are you standing here? Do something. Getting the flowers because I know it's her birthday and the flashlight. Damn, what the hell, I was just down there for 1 second. Wasted my time, Demonology, thanks. Hey guys, did you see that FE monitor goes 5? Flashing lights. Finally, the kitchen goes back to normal. Fat ass, go away. Also guys, you got to see my majestic avatar. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. More flashing lights, but I'm a brave girl. Checking my book and crossing out some stuff. This was gonna get posted yesterday, but I had to go to a party. Useless. Going outside cause I realized I missed something. Never mind, I was just getting the spirit box and the flashlight. Doing the spirit box, see it hot. Mommy wants to talk to me. In the spirit box, spoiler alert, I'm not turning off the lights. Useless son of a bitch. Crossing out some stuff. The dumb bass do it again. Going away from keyboard again. Flower time. Realizing I missed that little green ball thing. I finally found it. Putting it in the closet. Seeing if that little monster had any handprints or footprints around. Oh yeah, I forgot that girl didn't want to talk to me. Looking at the flower pot. Getting out of the closet like the brave girl I am. Checking if I'm cold, cause yeah, I think it's time to guess who the monster is. Why is the voice so positive? Out this stuff. This recording was hell. Do something, bitch. Finally, you did something, never mind. Shelly, it smells like gas. Better be sorry. Shelly, stop shitting. Oh, damn it.